Ahoy, me matey! Hi, I'm Caitlin Bailey with Satellite Beach Recreation, and today we are going to be learning the ways of the pirate together.
After reading Ned the Knitting Pirate by Diana Murray, illustrated by Leslie Lamley, you have heard all of the many words that he has used on the pirate ship while he knits. So now we are going to learn how to make a catapult just like Ned in the book.
Maybe you've seen a catapult or two in Peter Pan or Pirates of the Caribbean, but do you know how they work? We will be discovering the ways of the pirate, how they use their catapults that they've known for hundreds of years. Avast! Before we get started today, we are going to need to collect all of our materials for our experiment. So first we will need popsicle sticks, some rubber bands, a plastic spoon, a bottle cap, a binder clip, small objects that will fit inside of our spoon, glue so we can glue all of our pieces together, and for when we're done, we can test with a tape measure. For today, I will be showing you how to make 3 different kinds of catapults. One with a spoon, one with a bottle cap, and one with a binder clip. If we are ready to build catapults, say aye. The first step for our spoon catapult is we're going to need 7 popsicle sticks. We are going to put 2 rubber bands on each side of the popsicle sticks. After we have our 7 together, we're going to take 2 other popsicle sticks and a rubber band, and we're only going to place this on one side. Now that both our 7 are together and our 2 is together, we are going to put them together like this. For our last step, we are going to take a plastic spoon, put it on top of our catapult right here, and we're going to take a rubber band and secure that to the popsicle stick. Our spoon catapult should look like this. The second catapult will be the bottle top catapult. For this catapult, you are going to need the same base of 7 wrapped with 2 rubber bands and 2 wrapped with 1 rubber band together like this, exactly how we did the first one. Our next step is going to be to glue the top of the bottle cap to our popsicle stick like this. The final catapult we are going to do is the binder clip one. First, we are going to start with 3 popsicle sticks. We want to glue the sides right here together in a triangle. After these 3 parts are glued together, we are going to glue another piece right down the center. With our binder clip, we are going to glue another popsicle to one of the sides of the clasps, just like this. After both pieces have dried, we are going to take them and glue them to each other. After we are done waiting for it to dry, we are going to glue a bottle cap on the top of the popsicle that's sticking up in the air, like this. Now that mine is all dried, this is what it should look like.
Shiver me timbers! That's a lot of catapults!
To test how far our catapults are going to go, we want to have a tape measure laid out and all 3 of our catapults lined up next to each other.
Thar she blows! Did you know that September 19th is International Talk Like a Pirate Day?
Hello, little pirates. Now that we are down on the floor, we are going to be testing all of our catapults. So today, my first test is going to be which catapult goes the furthest with the same square blocks. To test how far our square blocks are going to go, I will be launching 5 different blocks. Once we're done testing, I'm going to add all 5 distances up and then divide by 5. and divide by 5. So for our spoon catapult, you can see all of the orange blocks are for the spoon catapult. We measured them out. As you can see, this one right here is 16 inches. So right here I'll write 16 inches. We want to add them all up and then divide by 5. If we add all of these up, it will be 132. So now we take 132 and we divide by 5. 132 divided by 5 is 26.4. So that is our average. Now that we have 3 different averages, the spoon of 26.4, bottle cap of 17.6, and binder clip of 18.6, we can tell that the spoon was the best catapult I made today. Now we are going to experiment with 5 different objects. My first object today will be the square cubes that we have been using. My second object will be a pom-pom. My third object will be a quarter. My fourth object will be a small candy. And my last object will be a cherry tomato. Let's get started. As you can see, our square cube made it the furthest. Now we are going to do the same test with our bottle top catapult. For this experiment, our cherry tomato has made it the furthest. Now for our binder clip catapult. It looks like a tie. From this experiment, we can see that both our square cube and our cherry tomato are the best 2 things to catapult. Please share us your experiment with @PlaySatelliteBeach. How far did your catapults go? Thank you so much for joining me today with @PlaySatelliteBeach in partnership of the Satellite Beach Library. For more information, please check the links below. Have a wonderful day, and remember to keep exploring the ocean blue for treasure. After we are done, we are going to need a tape measure. Tape measure. Just like Power would say when they got scurvy.